I'm going to show you how to set up your Tweetdeck so you can schedule tweets during conferences without having to do it right away. If you just get on any browser and you type in tweetdeck.com, tweetdeck.com. Okay, so you should come to a page like this and you're going to sign in on the web. Now actually what you'll do is you'll have to create an account and it will connect to your Twitter account when you sign in, because if you notice it is attached to your Twitter name because it asks you to sign in with that. So I'm going to sign in. Okay, so this comes up with all of my things that are already on here. I'm just going to delete these. There's lots of different things you can do. If you want to set up new columns, you can just go over here to this plus and then add a column. So if I want to see every time somebody mentions me, I would do, actually I already have it up there, but I would do mentions if I want to see notifications there. If I want it to be my home feed, that's fine. But I want to do a search one because I want all of the tweets that go by the, let's do the hashtag we established here, MOEL14, okay? So any content, any users, any engagement, and then I'm going to add a column. And if you notice, no tweets are there because you've not done them yet. Let's see. If I'm going to add a column of EdTech Chat because that is one that I participate in, and it always has you know, stuff going on. So anytime somebody hashtags something with EdTech Chat, it will show up in this column, and you'll notice that, and actually it's not going on right now, there was one 1 hour ago, but it constantly has people doing things. And you'll see it change as we go along. But what I wanted to show you was how to schedule a tweet. So if I wanted to schedule a tweet for a different day, so let's do schedule tweet. So if I wanted to do it for 8 a.m., I'm just going to change all this, and if I click on that it changes to 8 a.m. Let's do it tomorrow. And what do we want it to say? Let's say, I hope to see everyone at the Missouri Early Learning Conference on November 20 and 21. And you'll notice this is how many characters I have left. At Canberra. And then I'm going to hashtag MOEL. And I don't want either one of those. So I'm just going to, and let's see, I'm also going to hashtag MoEdChat because then it'll come up when they are, anybody's looking in that chat session. So tomorrow morning at 8 a.m. Now actually I'm going to copy this, okay, and I'm going to say it again, the same thing, but at a different time. So here's, I copied it, now I'm going to do tweet, okay. So if I want to add a column of the ones that I have scheduled right here, and so here it tells me when my tweet is scheduled to go and what it's going to say. And I can also edit it or delete it before it happens. If you saw you did one and you made a mistake, you can go ahead and do that, but you have to mouse over the bottom right hand corner. So if I want to do another one that's exactly the same, all I have to do is Control paste, Control V to paste. And let's say I want to do that, it's 4:18 right now, I'm going to do it at 4:19 on today. you can see that it says tweet at 4:19, 4:19, 23rd of July right there. Okay, so I'm going to tweet, and that's my next scheduled. And here's the only thing I don't like about scheduling tweets. They put them in the order that you schedule them. They don't do them in like the order that they will happen. So in my mind, this one should actually be down here because it makes more sense because it's going to happen first, but that's just me. So I mean, you can do this as many times as you want to. You can have, I don't even know if they have a limit on how many scheduled accounts you can have. So I can do, so even if I wanted to do something like November, since it occurs on November the 20th, if I want to do something on the 13th at 9 o'clock a.m. and say, can't wait to, or wait, only 7 more days until at Pantera. Hope to see you there. And then I already have the Mo EL14, and I'm going to do Moed Chat again. I'm going to do another Missouri hashtag that I know, and this is the Missouri conference, technology conference that's happening in 2015 in February. So why not? I might as well add them. I'm going to also do one for Arkansas Ed Chat. You might have some people from Arkansas that want to come, or Iowa Ed Chat. So as long as you know a lot of the hashtags, you can tweet. You can also, let me show you how to tweet a link. So if you want to tweet them, let's see, Missouri Early Learning Conference 2014. If you want to tweet the link to the conference, okay, so if maybe I want to do the home page. Okay, so here's all the speakers. So I can go up here and copy that and do something like check out the speakers for the, and I'm going to type it out this time. Conference in November. And then I'm just going to Control V to put that link in there, and it will be hyperlinked in the tweet. Another thing is that you can shorten your links by going to bit.ly.com. You know, have you seen those shorteners, those URL shorteners? They're really, really handy. I always use bit.ly. There's a lot of different ones to use, but what I love is that you can just paste the link you had and it shortens it right there for you. So there it is. So I'm going to copy it, and I'm not signed in right now, so it doesn't have my other ones, but I'm going to copy that, and I'm actually going to go back over here and change that to make it shorter. So now I have 56 left. Conference November 20th and 21st. Hope to see you there. And I'm going to do Noel 14, and I'm going to do Moed Chat again, METC 15 again. I might even do, oh, I only have 3 left. So I'm going to schedule this one, and I might schedule this one for soon so people can start signing up. So let's do it for August the 1st at 9 a.m. or maybe not. Well, yeah, we'll do it for then. Okay, so I will tweet that. And so there I have 1, 2, 3. And I notice up here that I did this one incorrectly, like I don't have the right hashtag right there, so I'm going to go back and fix that. 14. Okay, there's that. Now, and that's it. So I have all of those scheduled and ready. So that is really all you do. Not hard to do. You can add images. If you want to schedule some for lots all in one day, the day of the conference, you can do that too. So if you have any more questions about setting up your scheduled tweets, let me know. Hopefully this has helped.